In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a CV in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser or the app. On the home page, click the search bar and type resume or CV. Then press enter. You'll see a gallery of designs. Use the filters to narrow by style: modern, simple or minimalist, or by industry. Hover to preview a few options and choose one that matches your field and the impression you want to make. For most applications, a clean one-page layout is best because it stays readable and looks professional. When your template opens, start customizing. Double-click any placeholder text and replace it with your own details. Begin with the header, add your name, a clear professional title, and relevant contact and profile links. Keep the title short and aligned for a polished look. Next, write a brief professional summary or objective. About 3 sentences that highlight your core strengths, specialties, and the impact you bring. Tailor this to the role you are targeting so it speaks directly to the employer's needs. Move on to work experience. List your roles in reverse chronological order, so your most recent position appears first. For each role, include the organization, your title, and dates. Then describe achievements with measurable outcomes where possible. Prioritize responsibilities that align with the job you want and keep phrasing concise and action-oriented. Follow with a skills section that groups the tools and competencies you use most. Balance technical capabilities with interpersonal strengths that are relevant to your field. Add your education next, including degrees and any certifications that strengthen your candidacy. If space is tight, focus on what's most relevant. If your template includes a photo frame and a professional headshot suits your industry, upload the image and drag it into the frame. Use Canva's crop and adjust tools to center it. If a photo isn't customary where you are applying, simply delete the frame and expand your content. Refine the design so everything is cohesive. Choose 1 or 2 easy to read fonts, adjust sizes to create a clear hierarchy, and stick to a consistent color palette. Use lines or simple shapes from the Elements tab to separate sections and leave comfortable margins for readability. Keep graphics minimal so automated systems can parse your text accurately. When you are done, Canva Auto saves your work. You can confirm by checking the cloud icon. To export, click Share. Select Download and choose PDF Print for the highest quality or PDF Standard for easy emailing. You can also share a view-only link or publish a one-page website. Give your file a clear name, proofread, and you are ready to apply. Thanks for watching.